Hello everyone and welcome back to Queen Varieties channel. On today's episode, I'll be sharing a perfect homemade burger recipe. Absolutely and incredibly very flavorful and very simple to put together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and loved ones. Also remember to turn on your bell notifications so that each time I upload you will get instantly prompted. Begin by preparing the burger sauce. So into my pan I will add some grated onions, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard. I will include some ketchup and wrap sauce. For the wrap sauce you can substitute with hot sauce. Next I will include pepper flakes, black pepper, paprika, salt to taste, lime juice. For the lime juice you can also substitute with lemon or vinegar. I have squeezed in the lime juice, introduce the fresh chopped parsley. Mix everything to combine appropriately until you have a uniform color and appearance, and then set it aside. Over to the next step and procedure, I'm going to introduce the ingredients we are going to use to prepare the beef. You will require 1000 grams of cold minced beef. You can also include 2 or more proteins together to form one. At the same time, I've gone ahead to dice my tomatoes and lettuce. Extra chopped parsley. We're going to repeat the same spices we used earlier on, but then with the inclusion of all mixed spice and then some thyme. Same time you will require onions, which is chopped, and 1 fresh egg, which is going to be our binder. Add all ingredients that I've just mentioned right now into a bowl and then combine everything. In ahead to mix and combine appropriately. Here you have to make sure you don't over mix. It is very important. You don't want the outcome of the beef to come out super tough. You want it to be very juicy and absolutely delicious. I will form into a ball, place it in my burger shaper and then shape it accordingly. You can see how beautiful it turned out. I'll just place it on my work surface there. Continue until I have exhausted the rest of the minced beef. If you don't have the shaper, you can also roll it into a ball, and then with your palm you're going to pat it flat. Okay, yes, just push it a little bit flat until you have a circle appearance, and then set it aside. Everything now is ready. We are going ahead to prepare our burger. Pan is preheated. Into it I'll add a little bit of oil and then butter. Once melted and heated, I'll add the meat patties into it, to allow that to cook for 3 minutes or thereabout before you flip. After 3 minutes it is ready and brownish. You can see how beautiful the appearance looks. I'll add just a little bit of the sauce with some cheese. The color of cheese or the type of cheese you use is just up to you. And guys, after 6 to 7 minutes or thereabout, everything is ready. I'll set it aside. Continue repeating the process until everything is exhausted. I'll throw in some ring onions into the pan just so that it will caramelize. Alright, so once the onions are perfectly caramelized, I'll just set them aside. Cooking the onions a little bit helps to eliminate that crunchy effect from it, and for those of you who don't like the flavor, you're going to enjoy it because it becomes more flavorful and tastier in the burger. Once the cooking process is done, I'm going to set everything out completely. And for the bread, you're going to toast it a little bit so that it's going to absorb a little bit of the sauce from the pan. Alright my fabulous friends, you're welcome to the last segment of the whole entire recipe. This is where we're going to combine everything together. So into the buns I'll drop in a little bit of the sauce and begin to add the vegetables on top of it. First of all, I'll add the first patty on top of the buns and then add more vegetables, tomato, onions and also the lettuce, and then drop in another beef on top of it. Okay, yes, I'm making a kind of double layering. Yeah, so do it anyhow you want. You can use 1, you can use 2, you can even use 3 if you wish. I'll cut right into it, and guys, look how delicious and juicy this turned out. It was so flavorful, super yummy, tastier than any burger you can buy out there. Also absolutely healthy and yumnicious. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Remember to share, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and love. God bless you. Bye for now.